Bullish Illuvium cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $181.31 and $342.47 by 2030. Market examiners accept ILV could reach $141.02 by 2025. Bearish Illuvium market cost expectation for 2023 is $32.23. Illuvium presentation. We will direct you through the present moment and long-haul cost expectations for Illuvium in this piece, from how ILV contrasts from other digital currencies in addressing most of the local blockchain difficulties to the Illuvium cost figure for the accompanying 10 years up to the present. We will cover everything in this article. What is Illuvium? Illuvium is one of the most up-to-date crypto games to stir things up around town, yet financial backers are energized by its true capacity. Clients get the valuable chance to investigate the science fiction planet Illuvium during the play to procure insight, where they might participate in battle with and accumulate NFT creatures. As they investigate various nations and battle down beasts known as Illuvials, players expect the job of a tracker. Clients might bring in cash in different ways, for example, through beating rivals in fights and winning competition prizes. Illuvium's ongoing interaction highlights are very like those of Axie Boundlessness, a famous digital money game where players likewise obtain unmistakable NFT creatures. Illuvium stands separated, however, due to its longing to make an AAA title or a very good quality, top-quality game. To help it achieve this, there are basically two parts. Players might investigate and draw in with a staggering 3D climate in Illuvium's open world mode. As indicated by the white paper, for certain players, the allure of the game will venture to every part of the globe and social occasion Illuvials. This might be very productive, particularly on the off chance that a player is effective in catching areas of strength for something extraordinary. ILV, the Illuvium coin image, is the minds of the Illuvium crypto game. Players are compensated with this Illuvium digital money to continue to play and are urged to do as such. The symbolics administration highlights, which let proprietors to partake in the game's advancement through the DAO, are another element empowering financial backers to hold their venture. Illuvium is additionally venturing into the DeFi world. ILV marked by financial backers can yield ranch benefits before they might be eliminated. However, these are locked for a year. Moreover, holders will actually want to pull out SILV computerized coins in their place rapidly. These are utilized in the game and might be utilized to purchase things. It is essential to comprehend that on the grounds that SILV isn't recorded on a blockchain and can't be removed, it's anything but a cryptographic money. Illuvium Basic Investigation. Illuvium is an open-world investigation, NFT animal gatherer, an auto-battler game that will be delivered in 2022 for PC and Macintosh. It was made on the Ethereum blockchain. In a science fiction experience with a lot of illustrations, you might play for remunerations while you investigate the climate and accommodate your accident-landed group. Find the disastrous occasions that destroyed Illuvium by investigating 7 shocking extraterrestrial scenes. Collectibles. Find, chase, and catch in excess of 100 Illuvials, unnerving animals that overwhelm this abnormal world and each have their own extraordinary abilities and crossover blends. Construct the best Illuvial crew via preparing and combining your Illuvials into solid developments to expand their value and strength. Play to procure acquire while playing. Acquire digital currency and game honors as ILV tokens through partaking in competitions and occasions, completing PvE missions, accomplishing extraordinary achievements, and partaking in the game. Bet on fights, participate in contests, or potentially put down wagers in the Leviathan field, a PvP fight field where players may duke it out to figure out who is the most impressive officer on Illuvium. Exchanging on the commercial center. Because of coordination with Changeless X, you might sell and exchange caught Illuvials, cultivated assets, and other collectible made NFT items on the Illuvitex, Illuvium's NFT commercial center, without any gas costs for distributed exchanging and moment exchanges. Illuvium specialized examination. In light of verifiable information, there is a nonpartisan standpoint at Illuvium costs in the short run. Our specialized pointers foresee that Illuvium's 200-day SMA will decrease temporarily. The momentary 50-day SMA for Illuvium cost is likewise expected to be negative. Famous Force Oscillator. The general strength file may decide if a digital money is overbought or oversold. The ILV market is in a nonpartisan situation for the present moment. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Illuvium to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Illuvium Value Forecast 2023. Illuvium, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ILV cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $60.45. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. averaging $56.42 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ILV is supposed to have a base worth of $48.36. Illuvium Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Illuvium ILV cost expectation has a lot of space for development because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of ILV will before long outperform $100.75. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the ILV's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ILV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $80.60 and a typical exchanging cost of $88.66. Illuvium Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $141.05 and ILV might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ILV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $128.96 and a low of $120.90 in 2025. Illuvium Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Illuvium effectively supports market feeling among digital money devotees, the ILV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ILV will be green in 2026. The ILV is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $181.35, with a base cost of $161.20 and a typical cost of $169.26. Illuvium Value Forecast 2027. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the ILV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $209.56 by 2027, with a base cost of $201.50 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ILV has a most extreme value worth of $221.65. Illuvium Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $249.86. On the off chance that ILV figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $261.96. Neglecting to assemble the help ILV needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $241.80. Illuvium Value Forecast 2029. While ILV is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $282.11 and a yearly cost close above $302.26 in 2029. Illuvium Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Illuvium will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level.